I want to have my biggie boobs like the big booba lady from RE8, aka Resident Evil 8, The Village. Yeah, that's what we're here for. How are you? Hi guys, it's Sunny here again today, and today I am going to be talking about Resident Evil 8. If you have not seen the memes or played the game, you need to get not out, but in, like, to the internet a little bit more, because, oh my god, the memes that are coming out on Lady Dimitrescu, which is one of the characters, holy moly, they're amazing. Look up Lady Dimitrescu or Resident Evil 8 and you find a bunch of stuff on the entire game, but also mainly Lady Dimitrescu. She is the, main, villain that you have to fight, and let's just say she's a little bit heavy on top and heavy on the bottom. That's all I gotta say. And everyone's going crazy about her. I just watched the playthrough and finished watching it for Jacksepticeye, and he looks like a fucking 5-year-old that's about to get the hugest ice cream candy bar ever when he saw her, just saying. I have been seeing things all over the internet, whether that's like mods putting her in lingerie, people dressing up as her and going to like GameStop, and a bunch of other things. Oh my god, there's one where someone's like swatting her butt with a fly swatter in the game. I don't know how you did that, but that made my day when I saw that and found out it was a thing. That was fucking hilarious. But getting to the point, I don't have big boobs, and she has these huge badunkadunks that I would never actually want, because I've heard the problems of having big boobs. Like, it's a lot. You literally have like so much weight on your goddamn chest. But why don't we have some fun for the day, shall we? Get the illusion of being Lady Dimitrescu, the big booba lady. So today, I am going to try and make the illusion of having big boobs like Lady Dimitrescu. We're gonna do a boob contouring tutorial and a bunch of other things. I have a bunch of like push-up bras here and things like that. I basically looked up every drag queen boob contour tutorial ever, and that's what we're going off today. I'll maybe leave some of them in the comments if I re-find them, because I went through a lot. But yeah, if you have small boobs and you want to have big boobs like the big booba lady, join me. Let's do this. Also, I do not wear white. I don't own white. I don't plan on owning white, and I also don't really want to put a white shirt on after just covering my chest with like makeup. So instead, I'm going to wear one of my like semi-white or black ones. I will show you a before photo though right now, and let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, I am going to get to the bra situation. Why am I always declothing when I play these videos? I have a Yoda on my bra. I have this beauty. We're gonna pump them things up, use whatever squish we got. Luckily, I'm at least a woman and I'm not a dude, or else this will be a lot harder. But if men can do it to be drag queens, I can do it with my tiny tits. Yeah. And this is just regular what I have, but it's with a push-up bra. Yeah. Fun, I know. And then they said what you want to do is, this is the weirdest tutorial I've ever given in my life. You want to tighten the straps a lot, so then it kind of, pulls everything up, and then you kind of just sort of, pick up your tit and push it forward. See what I mean? Alright, so we kind of have a little bit more of a shadow now, as you can see, so that's always good. Someone said about putting another bra on and or putting a sports bra on, but because I am doing this under a dress, I don't really know if I'm gonna put a sports bra on, but I will try and see what it looks like to put a second bra on, just to kind of get the idea of whether it's gonna help or not. I don't really feel like that's did anything except make it more uncomfortable. Unless I need to oh. Okay, never mind, I figured it out. Do I look like I have bigger tits yet? Warning, this video is not for children. If you're a child, look away. Alright, well, I think that is where we're gonna go with that. Just pretend it's a bathing suit if you feel self-conscious, it's fine. But Yeah, I think I've made my boobs look like they actually exist, so that's a good start. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is I'm going to look up a contouring thing. I think I actually saved a few. Here are some photos that I'm gonna be going off of. I don't think I'm gonna go off of one per se. I think I'm gonna kind of take some from each of them. I've done this once before. I was in like middle school. I had just realized it was a thing because I had met my gay uncle. Well, he's not my actual blood uncle, but he's uncle at heart. And he's a drag queen, and he does this all the time, and I wanted to know how the hell this is a thing. And I was actually gonna do a video with him, but I didn't get the timer. And ever since then, I was like really curious, so then I decided to look it up, and I did it on myself. And my boobs look weird. I don't know if I have a photo of it, but if I do, I will show you. Even though it's kind of a weird thing to look at on a, you know, I'm not gonna do that. I was probably like 12, I'm not gonna show you that. Sorry if I'm sweating, it's literally so hot in here, and now my chest is like completely compacted by shit, and I'm just, honestly, this is not a bad start. I know I'm very smexy right now, right? I got the big boobas. Like the big booba lady. So I'm gonna take this really dark one and take it kind of through the center. This is gonna take a while, but I'm gonna put it through the center and then kind of take it that way a little bit, and we'll see what goes there. Luckily, I don't care about these bras because I never wear them. So if I fuck them up, I'm not really worried about it. Oh my god, wait, what? Yeah, okay, I can see nothing when I do it on like in the mirror here. But when I look at the camera, I can definitely see something happening. I don't know if it's a good something, but it's happening. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, nothing. Just contouring my titalones. That's uneven. Oh, just like real life. Oh no. People say to like do it right here, and then, yeah, so like to do it in there. Underneath, and then in it. I'm actually gonna get a smaller brush. I have one. I do. See how like soft and gentle my fucking skin is? The moment you touch it, it just does that. That I don't think is makeup, unless it is, and then I'm being an idiot. But like, yeah, you literally can't see this in person, but that doesn't matter. All that matters is that the lovely people of the internet that are watching this can, right? All that matters. It looks like shit. I feel like I'm doing nothing when I look at myself in the mirror. But when I look at myself in that camera boy, I look fucked up. I really want to get the game and do the playthrough myself because it looks really freaking awesome, just to be honest. Well, let's move on to the next round of things. Alright, so next we're supposed to use the light color. Do it like right here. And then here, and then we'll figure out the rest. I think it goes on the collarbone. We'll figure it out. What if I actually did this enough that I got good at it? What if I hired a drag queen to do my boobs for me? That would be awesome. I feel like that part in Burlesque where she's like, it's a cold, crazy world. You can kind of see where the shading's supposed to be up here, but my problem ain't there. It's down. Looks like I've got a fucking bruise on my chest. Like, what the fuck? I look like I'm fucking malnutrition. Jesus Christ. My collarbone's up here, sir. It's up here. What is that? Does it look good? Honestly, my tits do look pretty fire, I will say. But, to what cost? Well, I think that's what we got. Let's put on the dress, shall we? I'm sweating so bad right now. Holy shit. Alright, be honest. How does it look? Honestly, I don't think I did that bad. Dude, I totally look like a catfish from some angles, okay? Not directly. Don't look at it directly. If you look at it directly, it looks very fake. Honest truth. But from the side, I mean, I look like I have tits. I look like I have legitimate tits. In your best judgment, what size boob do you think this looks like? Because I want to know. I want to know how much I accomplish. Yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with this. If you hold your arms like this and put them down, it helps. You could be like, oh. Lady Dimitrescu in black today. How are you? Let me see if I can walk like her. Ah, Ethan. I also got this. I actually got Revlon. This looks like an actually good makeup product. I don't use makeup, but I will for you guys. It's taking like an hour just to put this on, but oh my god, it looks good. Ethan, what are you doing here? Okay, I don't think we did too bad with this. Oh yeah, the more I put it down, the bigger it looks. But it's all fake. All fake. I literally don't have big boobs in the fucking slightest. But we can pretend! That's the fun of makeup now, isn't it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and didn't think it was too weird or dumb or stupid. I had a really good time. I honestly wanted to do this since I saw her. I don't even know why. I just thought it'd be really funny. And honestly, why not? But if you guys did enjoy this, let me know in the comments. And if you have tried doing boob contour and you have some suggestions, let me know in the comments below too, because I might want to do this for some other videos too at some point. If I actually want to try doing characters in the near future or not. I don't know. I'm really bad at it. But maybe. But yeah, I got the big booba. I got a fucking red lipstick on, because why not? And I put on some mascara. I'm not perfect with makeup or any of this stuff, to be quite honest with you, but I thought I'd give it a nice little try. I mean, this is a lot of fun. Yeah. If you're a drag queen, please let me know if I did an okay job. I don't want to offend you guys, and I hope I did at least a decent okay job. If there are any other videos you guys would like me to do or try, let them down in the comments, and I will see about doing them for you. Give me whatever, and we'll see if I can do it. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the little booba bell down below as well, and I will see you guys later. Bye. I'm sorry, but I look fucking amazing. Why don't you do right like some other man?